Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Sensei, your go-to place to master logical reasoning. Let's jump into the next question of JIPMAT 2021 question paper. So here we see there are four options and three of them are alike and one is different, and we need to find the odd one out. So the options that we can see are months. So the first thing that I want to compare is the number of days in that month. Okay, let's do that. So December 2021 will have 31 days, Feb 2021 will have 28 days, March 2021 has 31, and November 2021 has 30. I don't see any three options alike. Hence, we need to find some other parameter to compare these four. What I can think about next is, what if they all start on the same day? Like 1st December 2021, 1st Feb 2021, 1st March 2021, and 1st November 2021. What if three of them start on the same day, let's say some Tuesday? So the other can be an odd one out, right? Now, the question is, how do you find the day of 1st December 2021 or 1st March 2021? There are multiple ways where you can find. There are different formulas, different methods, but I want to take an approach without a complex formula, but a basic concept that you need to understand before going into the solution is, let's say A is a date and B is another date after A, and there are X days between A and B. Okay, now if A is a Monday, then we can easily find what day is B. How? Just divide X by 7, and if the remainder is 0, then B is equal to Monday. If it is 1, Tuesday; if it is 2, it is Wednesday; 3, Thursday, and so on. Okay, so that is the concept that you should know. Let's go to our solution. Now, I have just represented the months along with their number of days. Okay, like Feb 2021 has 28 since it's not a leap year. March 2021 has 31 days, etc. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to assume that Feb is starting on a Monday. Just assume it. I'm not sure if this is correct, but let's just assume one day. Okay, now if 1st Feb 2021 is Monday, what is 1st March 2021? So 1st Feb 2021 and 1st March 2021, there will be 28 days, right? And it is a multiple of 7. Hence, since 28 by 7 remainder is equal to 0, if 1st Feb starts on a Monday, 1st March also starts on a Monday. Now let's determine the number of days between 1st March 2021 and 1st November 2021. The number of days is going to be 31, which is March month, April, then May month, June, July, August, September, and October. Okay, and this amounts to be 245. Now we know that there are 245 days between March 2021 and 1st November 2021. When we divide 245 by 7, we get 35 weeks exactly with remainder 0. Hence, November also starts on a Monday. Okay, now let's see what can be December. Now November 2021 and December 2021, there are 30 days. So when you divide it by 7, the remainder is going to be 2. Okay, so if November starts on a Monday, then December is going to start on a Wednesday. So February, March, November are going to start on the same day, but December is different. Hence, December 2021 is the odd one out. Hope you found this helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to Logic Sensei. See you in the next video.